Alright, earlier we stated that Canon delayed all the plans for EOS R5 too, and the recent firmware update on the R5 also confirms this news. The next known big camera on the lineup is the Canon EOS R1, which is scheduled for early 2024. But recently, we got to see some videos which suggest that R1 is now in production stage. So what are these, and can we really expect to see the Canon EOS R1 soon? Let's find out.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
Twitter user Chelko posted some videos and images from the event 49th G7 Summit 2023, which was held in Japan. A camera particularly caught everyone's attention. At first glance, we thought it was the EOS R3, but it was thinner than that. People on the internet are going wild over this and expressing their opinions left and right. Some are indicating that it's the upcoming Canon EOS R1, whereas many are pointing out that it's definitely the R3. It just looks weird because of the way that photographer is holding it. Now, the video has gone viral and has become the talk of the town. As we already know, we aren't expecting to see the EOS R1 before 2024, so there's little to no possibility for that camera to be the EOS R1, and we believe people are just hyping it up because of the high anticipation R1 has created over the last few months, when Canon officially stated that they're currently working on a premium model on the CP Plus show. The upcoming Canon EOS R1 is expected to feature a groundbreaking 100 megapixel sensor, a first for Canon cameras. Sources indicate that it will be a full-frame camera with an RF mount. Initially, there were rumors about an 85 megapixel sensor, but Canon seems to be targeting the high-end market with this higher resolution. It's impressive to note that Canon is opting for a higher resolution full-frame sensor instead of a medium format one. The EOS R1 is likely to replace the EOS 5DS and 5DS-R models, which has a mixed reception among fans. Hopefully, the R1 will receive widespread appreciation worldwide. Some even refer to the R1 as the big brother of Canon EOS R3, so it's gonna be a major flagship camera, that's for sure. Currently, Canon's EOS R5 offers 45 megapixels while the R3 has 24 megapixels, both lower than the Sony Alpha One's 50 megapixels. The Nikon Z9 matches the R5 in resolution with 45.7 megapixels but offers more advanced features. In order to compete with these flagship cameras, Canon aims to introduce this higher megapixel sensor in the EOS R1. While the release of the R5 Mark II may still be a while away, it's expected to arrive sooner than the eagerly awaited EOS R1, according to the latest reports at least. It's worth noting that many photographers may not have a practical need for shooting at 100 megapixels, as such high resolution requires ample storage and powerful computers for processing. Now, you may wonder why Canon needs to push the megapixel game. It's only because of the high competition. Nikon Z9, Sony A1 and Fujifilm X-H2, all these prominent flagship cameras have one thing in common, which is higher megapixel count. It's a common tendency for all manufacturers to put everything in their high-end models, so Canon is also trying to join this club and mark its place as a true flagship manufacturer. This year, Canon already released 3 new cameras: EOS R8, R50 and PowerShot V10. And after almost 2 years, Nikon also announced the Z8, which is its premium camera. Sony is also planning to announce the A9 III soon. If the rumored specs are true, we think Canon EOS R1 can compete in the premium segment upon release. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below and consider subscribing for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.